Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my delicious fried chicken wings. Okay, it's gonna be a very simple and easy recipe. Okay, all right, first thing first, wash your chicken. Wash your chicken and then put it dry and put it in a bowl. Add your hot sauce, add your mustard, add your 1 egg, add buttermilk, and then just a little bit of flour, and you mix that thing up. After you mix well, you can sit it in the refrigerator for a couple hours if you have time, or you can just sit it aside and get straight to the dry batter. Okay, we're gonna use all-purpose flour, and we're gonna use cornstarch, half and half. Now the season I'm using is garlic powder, seasoned salt, smoky paprika, white pepper, and thyme. After you mix well, we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken wings and we're gonna dip it in our flour. We're gonna make sure our wings is covered in flour on both sides, okay? Then we're gonna shake off the extra flour and put it onto a rack. All right, we let our chicken wings sit for a little bit. Now we're gonna make sure our grease is hot, okay? And then this is the trick. When you fry chicken wings, do not fry so many in a pan together, okay? Like slow your roll, Jack. Make sure it has some space and some room, okay? So them chicken wings can eventually float. All right, when it's all packed, that's how you don't get your chicken all crispy, okay? It's a lot of factors how people do not fry their chicken hard the first time because we just be doing too much, all right? So, me, my limit probably be like 7, 8. That's the max, okay? That's actually pushing it. I like for my chicken to have room, and have space, because I need to let it cook, all right? Look at those chicken wings. You guys, these chicken wings are done, okay? They are finished. Look how crispy and delicious that chicken looks, okay? Now, you go get you a clean rack, and we're going to drain these chicken wings, okay? Because we don't want no wet or mushy chicken, okay? You can use a paper towel, lay these chicken wings on paper towels, but I don't. I used to back in the day because that's how my mama used to do it. But as I got older, I didn't want that grease touching my boot at all, okay? So, yeah. I ended up figuring out a solution. Get a rack. Let that grease drain from the wings. Yeah. Use a rack, you guys. Look at these wings, you guys. They look so good and delicious. They were so crunchy. They were seasoned well. You guys, you're going to enjoy this simple recipe. Like fried chicken wings, a 10-year-old can fry these, okay? Thank you guys for watching, okay? Enjoy. Bye-bye.